A few months ago, we went over to Atlanta, Georgia, and when we were in Atlanta, a lot of people kept talking about how great Chick Fil A was. We couldn't try any Chick Fil A's in Atlanta, but on our way back to Toronto, we decided to stop over in Cincinnati and check out a Chick Fil A. We pulled over at this Chick Fil A not too far off the highway. We went into order. Being the first time here, I just went for the default chicken strips and fries. I thought there were going to be individual fries. There weren't. I really did enjoy the fries, as you will see in the next clips. The people were very friendly, very welcoming. It was a little odd to notice that we were probably the only black people there. I don't know if I should say that, babe. Should we say that? Doesn't matter. Anyhow, also went ahead to get the nuggets and the mac and cheese, which I thought was a bit odd, but she said it was good. Not the best, but just there. It is interesting to note, or it is something I should point out in the video, that I did find Chick Fil A little bit expensive. Something I wasn't really anticipating, but oh well. At least I tried it. So I got the chicken strips and the waffle fries, which fries are okay. I didn't really have an expectation, but it's pretty good.
First, like America is known for a lot of food right now. Come over here, everything is small.
The strips are so much more better than the nuggets.
Okay. It's hot though.
So nice, sir.
I'm gonna try it with the original.